Welcome to ROCKWOOL Technical Insulation's installation guidance videos. This is a series of videos demonstrating how to correctly install insulation. This video shows how to install ROCKWOOL pipe sections on a T-piece. You need the required personal protection, the right tools in good condition, work permit, and the surface of the equipment you wish to insulate must be clean and dry. It is easy to insulate a T-piece with ROCKWOOL pipe sections. First, cut out a round hole on the pipe section for the straight pipe. Install the pipe section on the straight pipe by putting the hole around the connecting pipe. Note that the location of the seam is determined by the direction of the connecting pipe. Cut the end of the connecting pipe into a V shape to fit seamlessly to the straight pipe. Place the connecting pipe section on the connecting pipe. Tighten the insulation with binding wires. Stick the ends into the wool.